how do you write a query? You select it, and then you put the thing that you want, which is the count.
Select. Do I have to put the star?
No, because we're not getting the star of columns, we're getting the count. What we want is the answer of how many there are.
Uh-huh.
You can do from Lotion, because we know for sure that we're counting from LotionCon, right? From LotionCon. And then what we're selecting is the count, because we want to get the number. So think, just select the count, select count, attendee ID. Then remove it from your filter. No, don't remove from.
Where did it go?
You just selected everything and then deleted. Okay, now you just have to. Now it's just syntax where you just put the brackets and stuff.
265.
Okay, and what does that tell you?
There's 265 people there.
Uh-huh.
That's a lot. Okay,
it's not 300.
Mm-hmm. It's not 300. Burecon. 320.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot. Did I do Lotion? LampCon. 276. And DumbCon. 272. What I say was BureauCon? BureauCon. Great. Okay.
Okay, so we know. What do we know right now? BureauCon is the one that's more than 300.
Yeah.
And
so
what does that mean?
They didn't get into.
Mm-hmm. You want to write that down somewhere?
That says BureauCon.
Bure.
320.
If I were you, I would just write. I would just write that they didn't go to BureauCon. You want to find no go? Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I also got 10 minutes left.
Okay, let's continue.
So this will be our last one.
Let's go back to our. This is the last one for the demo.
Okay. Oh, okay, great.
Let's go back to our clues. So we already narrowed it down by one. Let's go back to our clues. We also have the photo back. You keep not opening the photo back. The last one. It's called photo back.
Oh, that's what you mean. Photo back. Me with all my convention stuff, minus dumbbells, I only had an exact average of them anyways.
Mm-hmm.
So we had an exact average of dumbbells?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Exact average. So that's one of the things that we can use, right? Like we had our min, we had max, we had average.
Uh-huh. Where'd my thing go? See, this is what happens. There's too many tabs.
Windows. Too many windows. That's why
lost it.
That's why I just mainly access stuff from the Explorer and then I move them around.
But I can't change the size.
No, but you can move them.
What am I typing in here?
Okay, so first of all, you can get rid of what you have right now. And then we're looking for an average for DumbCon, right?
Can I search in average?
Yeah.
Average. DumbCon.
Average DumbCon.
Wait, no. Average. Shoot, where'd it go? Of Dumbs brought?
Don't you love when you can bring Dumbs to the DumbCon?
Yup. Dumbs brought.
Mm-hmm. It's not detecting because you didn't say what table
I don't have
it
it
was.
from.
Yeah.
From DumbCon. 9.
Okay, so our average is 9 for Dumbs.
9. Okay.
You can write that down if you want. Yeah.
That says brought.
Sure. And then What else can we find in a different one? Let's go back to our diary. Didn't win any contest. Too late to enter, couldn't attend. 300 other two are fine. Okay. How about we think back to what we were doing in the beginning where we were counting each of the thingies. So we know they didn't go to BureauCon, right? Is that the one? Yeah. And then so now we have either lotion, lamp, or dumbbells. So let's put things together. So let's clear this again. And let's try just selecting everything from all three tables. Join all three of them.
Join. No, they're not going to BureauCon. DumbCon. LotionCon.
That's not how you join. First of all, you have to have a first one. You have to have a from something, and then you join, and then you join stuff to it.
From LotionCon. Nope. DumbCon.
No.
Nope.
You're doing it from one thing, join another thing.
Oh. DumbCon. And?
No.
Or am I joining again?
Continue. No. Wait. How do you join DumbCon first? How does Lotion and DumbCon connect? How do you connect the two? What do they have in common?
On. On?
On what?
LotionCon. What am I looking up? The ID?
Well, you're looking at what they have in common. You have to look at the two tables to find out what they have in common, right?
Attendee ID would be what they have in common. Right?
I don't know. You're only looking at LotionCon. You want to look at DumbCon also at the same time? You have it open already. Yeah.
Attendee ID.
Yeah. Okay.
On LotionCon dot attendee ID equals DumbCon dot attendee ID. Nope.
Okay.
But
so
then I also have to
that's
throw
one.
in.
Yep. And then next, after this, we're gonna join something else. Right? Join. What's the other one?
LampCon.
And then how do we join this? Yeah. You can copy paste, by the way.
Of this?
Well, you can copy paste in general, as in like you're able to do copying and pasting. I'm not saying that pasting is the answer. I'm not saying that the exact thing is the answer. I'm saying that you can use copying and pasting.
Okay.
So that you don't have to type.
So this is wrong.
So that you don't have to type. Right now it is wrong.
Great. How do I make it right?
Undo whatever you assumed. Right? And then remember I just said that you can copy and paste, as in like in general you have the ability to copy and paste. That doesn't mean that is the answer. Oh. So how do you join LampCon? You can join LampCon by using something from LampCon, right? It's the same thing that you did for DumbCon, just do it for LampCon. The point of me saying the copy paste was so that you don't have to type it, since you're not using nicknames. And like you can, and also you can copy and paste the attendee ID and stuff. That's all. And then you can do either one.
Oh, I don't get to choose? Or
well, you do get to choose. That's what you can do either one means.
But I mean, I don't have to do both of them.
No, because you're just attaching it on like a chain, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And what are you selecting?
Star.
If you want to. You want to type it?
No, because it's gonna be wrong.
How do you know?
Because you don't sound very confident as you're saying that.
No. I don't sound confident because you didn't put it. Because you didn't actually put the star.
Oh, it gave me stuff.
Yeah. But right now all you have is everything, right?
But he brought 9 dumbbells, but there's not 9.
Because you just joined all of them. So right now you just have the list of people that went to all 3. But that's not what we're doing, right?
No.
But it's just like you can use star because it's a valid query at least. So you're able to find information. There is no right or wrong. This is just querying. We can do multiple queries to find different things, right? That's what we've been doing.
Yeah.
So right now, at least we know that we can join all 3 of them. And then we can actually put the conditions for the stuff that we know for each of them within this combination. It's a Venn diagram of multiple. We got to put all our clues together.
I have to do inner join?
Well, this is already a join. It's fine for now.
Okay, so
it's just
so
that you have to put
joined.
conditions now. Like we were counting stuff. Right?
Okay, what am I counting?
Well, you already counted. You know how many there are now.
Counted.
From each of the thingies.
Yeah.
So let's just add that in as a condition, as our filters for each of the things. So how many of each thingy, right?
Dumbbells brought. Wait.
We can't really put dumbbells. We don't know how many they didn't pick a picture. No, 9 is, oh yeah. They had the average of that.
Yeah.
Sure, yeah. You can put that. You have the other counts too. For the other lotions, you can put everything. You're not counting. Don't tell them to count. Why are you telling them to count?
You just said count.
Count as in like count as in like you already counted it. You already counted stuff. We're not telling the query to count.
Okay. What am I telling it to do then?
Querying is always about finding stuff that's in the database, right? And we know that they brought 9. So we want to find the ones that have 9, right?
Yeah, I don't remember how to do that.
It's a where.
Where?
Where what is 9?
Where what? Dumbbells brought equals 9. Right?
I would put dumbcon and then dumbbells brought. Dot. Dumbcon dot. Because it's inside dumbcon.
Dumb. Equals 9?
Sure. Because right now we're joining all 3, as in like they have to be in all 3, but we know that they're only in 2, right? But what else can we do? We can do two different. We can do different searches, or we can do like the ones like 2 of them each time if we want as well. But what else do we have the numbers for?
Lamps.
Mm-hmm.
They have 8 lamps. No, 6 lamps.
At least 6.
And lampcon dot lamps underscore brought is greater to or equal than, what did I say, 6?
What else do we have?
And lotioncon dot